So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy PayPal put options here in Canada, ticker symbol PYPL here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go into the main screen here, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass or the discover icon at the bottom left. Then at the top, for simplicity's sake, go to the top and press on the search bar. And as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol PYPL for PayPal, where it says PayPal Holdings Inc., where it says PYPL with the options in purple beside it. Press on that one right there on the NASDAQ exchange. Go to the bottom, press on buy, and then press on options. Now, if you want to buy PayPal put options, it's super simple. At the top where it says PYPL will rise by, just go ahead and press on where it says rise. And as it currently stands right now, it actually has call option check. If you want to go ahead and change it to put option, it should now say PYPL will fall by. So go ahead and press on put option. And now it says PYPL will fall by. And if you want to change the expiry date, press on September 29th. And change the expiry date to whatever date you want down the road. Now, if you want to go in the money, a whole bunch of different strike prices right here at the top. If you want to go out of the money, same thing, but for the bottom. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead to the strike price in the money of $59 USD. And if you wanted to confirm this purchase, just go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy PayPal put options here in Canada, ticker symbol PYPL. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.